Have you ever wondered why creatine is the go-to supplements for athletes worldwide? Well, today we're going to be diving deep into its incredible benefits. Now, you might think creatine is only for bodybuilders, but its benefits extend far beyond the gym walls. Let's start with the benefits that creatine has for the body. Now, you might think that creatine is only for bodybuilders, but there's a lot of ways creatine can enhance your health and performance. Muscle growth. Creatine is not just a supplement, it is a game changer in muscle development. When you consume creatine, it increases the water content in your muscle cells. This process, known as cell volumization, not only makes your muscles appear bigger, but also triggers biological pathways that lead to muscle growth. Moreover, creatine accelerates protein synthesis, the fundamental process of muscle repair and growth. This means that with regular use, creatine doesn't just bulk up your muscles, it actually helps build them at a molecular level. Enhanced strength. But it ain't all about size. Strength is key, and that's where creatine truly shines. Multiple studies have consistently shown that creatine can significantly boost strength and power output. This isn't just about lifting heavier weights. It translates into more effective workouts, allowing you to push harder and achieve gains faster. Now, this strength isn't just for show. It is functional, enhancing your day-to-day activities and your overall quality of life. Improved exercise performance. Creatine's magic extends across various sports and activities. It's not just for those who are pumping iron. We're talking sprinters, swimmers, cyclists, even high-intensity sports athletes can benefit from it. Creatine enhances the body's ability to perform high-intensity work, so therefore, it's amazing for these athletes. It helps replenish ATP, our muscle's primary energy source, which allows for longer, more intense bursts of activity. Again, that translates to improved lap times, quicker sprints, overall better athletic performance, cognitive benefits. And let's not forget about the brain. The benefits of creatine aren't limited to muscle and strength. It plays a crucial role in brain health. Creatine supplementation has been shown to improve memory and reduce mental fatigue, especially in situations requiring quick thinking or under stress. That's particularly beneficial for individuals in demanding mental jobs or those studying for exams. It's like fuel for your brain, keeping it energized and functioning at its peak. These benefits of creatine aren't just theoretical or confined to lab tests. These are real, tested, and life-changing. I've heard countless stories of how creatine has transformed lives, from professional athletes breaking records to everyday individuals who have gained newfound confidence and vitality. From improving athletic performance to enhancing cognitive functions, creatine's impact is profound and it is far-reaching. Now, we've talked about the amazing benefits of creatine, but to truly appreciate its power, we gotta understand the proper science behind it. Come on, it's 2024. It's 2023. Who knows when this video is going out? It's 2024. We shouldn't just rely on bro science. How exactly does creatine supercharge our muscles and brain? Let's take a look. The role of phosphocreatine. At the heart of creatine's power lies a molecule called phosphocreatine. Now that's where the magic happens. In our muscles, energy is stored and used in the form of a molecule called ATP, which is fancily called adenosine triphosphate. During exercise, especially intense short bursts like lifting weights or sprinting, ATP is broken down to release energy, fueling muscle contractions. Now, this is where phosphocreatine becomes crucial. When ATP is used up, our muscles need to quickly replenish it. Phosphocreatine in the muscles donates a phosphate group to the depleted ATP, rapidly recharging it and readying our muscles for more action. This cycle is fast and efficient, making phosphocreatine a critical player in high-intensity activities. Creatine's impact on energy production. So how does supplementing with creatine come into play? By increasing the levels of creatine in the body, we actually boost the reserves of phosphocreatine in our muscles. That means more rapid ATP replenishment, which translates to increased strength, better performance, prolonged endurance. Essentially, creatine acts like a reserve tank of energy for when you need it the most. The brain connection. Our brains also use ATP for energy. Anyways, supplementing with creatine can enhance brain function by ensuring a steady supply of energy, particularly during tasks that require intense mental effort. So now that we know what the benefits are and a little bit of the science behind them, let's talk about one final essential question. Who should be using creatine? Is it just for fitness fanatics, or does it have a broader audience? Let's break it down. First and foremost, athletes and bodybuilders have long sworn by the benefits of creatine. It's fantastic for anybody engaged in high-intensity training or sports that require bursts of speed and strength. But that is just the tip of the iceberg. Creatine can also be a valuable tool for endurance athletes. While it's known for its benefits in short, intense activities, it actually also helps endurance by improving strength and reducing fatigue during long training sessions. But it's not just athletes who can benefit. Anybody looking to enhance their daily strength and vitality can use creatine. This includes older adults seeking to maintain muscle mass and functional strength, as well as those in physically demanding jobs. And let's not forget the cognitive benefits. Students, professionals, or anybody involved in mentally demanding activities might find creatine helpful. It's been shown to aid memory, focus, reducing mental fatigue. That makes it a very versatile supplement beyond just physical performance. However, it's important to remember that creatine ain't for everybody. Like everything that ever has existed, people are different and respond to it differently. Anybody with pre-existing health conditions, particularly those affecting their kidneys or liver, should exercise caution. Creatine is generally safe, but in these cases, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before starting supplementation. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also avoid creatine, as there's limited research on its effects in these conditions. And for adolescents, while creatine can be beneficial, it's best used under medical supervision, especially considering that their bodies are still developing. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to our channel to get notifications from the Super Achievers Club. Comment down below if you've ever used creatine and let us know how it went.